Hey guys, Jackson back here with another episode. First of all, I just want to clarify last night's video. Obviously, today we look at it, they're mostly having red days. We want to clarify that those four companies, or those three companies and Bitcoin, we see value in them. Okay, obviously results aren't going to happen overnight. As Shakar mentioned yesterday, when investing, you don't want to have the get rich quick mindset. So we see value in these companies, and we want to share that value with you guys to help make you money and to help just put these stocks on your radar. So again, we are very grateful to have Shakar back with us. So big news, stimulus, right? Mm-hmm. So the House of Representatives just passed a new stimulus bill that will give $2,000 to most American adults every month. So that's huge. That's up from $600. Shakar, how is that going to affect stocks?
Well, I mean, as you saw today, when the 600 one passed on Sunday night, we saw Monday that blue chip stocks such as Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Netflix, all those big stocks, Facebook, those were the ones that actually got the boost today, because when people get their money, they want to put them in stocks that they know will go up in the long run.
Yeah, exactly. So, and just to add on, so the stimulus, it's been passed by the House of Representatives, and now it's waiting for the Senate approval. And although the Senate is controlled by Republicans, I think we both agree it will be passed, and Trump has already said that he will sign a $2,000 a month stimulus check. Yeah. So we're looking forward to that. That's going to help stocks. It's going to help blue chip stocks. It's going to help the overall economy. All right, so we have some new stocks for you guys to just put on your watch list. Think about investing. Obviously, we want you guys to go out and do your own due diligence, but we're here to share our thoughts and put these stocks on your watch list. So first we have Alibaba. Alibaba is it's a Chinese manufacturer stock. What do you have to tell us about that?
Well, it's been a while, for a long time. A lot of people see long-term growth. It's kind of like the Chinese Amazon, if you will. So basically the troubles that it had in this past 2 weeks, I want to say it's gone down a significant amount, is because there's another company named Ant, and Alibaba owned a third of it, and they actually got hit with an antitrust law. So that's very bad news for the stock, and it was supposed to IPO this on December 26th. However, that got pushed back, and now people are starting to freak out.
So with this dip, red days are the best time to get in.
Yeah, you never want to buy a stock when it's on the green day.
So what do you think? Is Alibaba a buy? What do we see more pullback in the future?
I mean, it's definitely a stock that I would add to my watch list. In fact, that's what I did today, because all these companies like Facebook, Google, and I believe Microsoft in the past have actually gotten the same antitrust laws handed to them. But as you guys know, these companies are thriving today. So I see this as a short-term setback, but definitely an opportunity to buy into the stock.
Yeah, definitely. Our next stock to put on your watch list is Fubo TV. Shakar, what do you got for Fubo TV?
So Fubo TV is a streaming service that includes packages such as sports packages or other certain TV packages. But basically, it IPO'd, I believe, 2 months ago or 3 months ago. And it's been, it hit all-time highs last week, I believe, at $60 or $62. And ever since then, it's actually dipped, and now it's at $38. And I think that's a great buying opportunity, because if we look at the RSI on the Fubo TV graph chart, we could see that it's oversold. So I'm actually going to buy some shares tomorrow. I'm going to start my position. So
Yeah, that's really good intel. And for our beginner investors, could you just give us a quick description of what RSI is?
Yeah, so the RSI is basically a tool that you can use. I would recommend going to the website tradingview.com, and it'll be the chart that you see here. And it basically, if you add top left, if you add that tool, you search up RSI. Basically, if you see that the chart is, if the lines are up, then that means that the stock is overbought. And if you see it going down, and that means that it's oversold. So if you were looking at a stock that you're interested in and you see that it dipped below, then that means that it's oversold, and you might want to actually start your position in the stock. So
yeah, that's great intel. So we hope you take that advice and you do your own due diligence, and we will see you every Sunday 6 p.m. and thanks for tuning in.